Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. I am Johnson Lloyd G. Rumbawa
I'm Jason Chitarata.
and we are from BSCE 3A. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic surrealism. So, let's go!
But first, what is surrealism? Surrealism is an artistic literary movement that emerged in early 1920s. Focuses on exploring the unconscious mind, dreams, and irrationality. Artists aim to break free from the traditional artistic forms, embracing spontaneity.
Next is the historical content. Surrealism developed after World War I, influenced by the trauma and disillusionment of war. Drawn from Freudian psychologies, especially to the exploration of dreams and unconscious thought. Surrealism grew out of Dadaism, an early avant-garde movement.
Our next topic is principle of surrealism, focused on spontaneity, dreamlike imagery, and subconscious mind. Emphasize techniques like automatic drawing, pre-association, and surprising juxtaposition. Aim to liberate creativity from the constraints of rational thought.
Now we now proceed to art techniques. First is automatic drawing or painting, created without control, allowing the subconscious to guide the artwork. Second, collage, combining images from different sources to form new surreal narratives. And lastly, footage or grattage, creating textures from real surface and incorporating them into an artwork.
André Breton, often referred to as a father of surrealism. He was primarily a poet, writer, and musician rather than a painter. He is best known for his contribution to surrealist literature and for writing the Surrealist Manifesto. However, Breton collaborated closely with visual artists and played a critical role in promoting surrealist art. Author Breton himself did not create famous surrealist paintings. Some of most notable artists and works associated with this movement include
First is Joan Miro. He was a Spanish painter, sculptor, and ceramicist renowned for his pioneering contributions to modern art. Born in Barcelona, he is considered one of the most influential figures in the 20th century art world. Known for his distinctive style that blends surrealism, abstract, and playful use of shapes, color, and symbols. This paint is one of the most celebrated works in the surrealist movement. The painting is rich with dreamlike imagery, vibrant colors, and playful forms, showcasing Miro's unique style. This is considered a masterpiece of modern art, reflecting Miro's ability to bridge the gap between the abstraction and figuration.
our next artist is Salvador Dali. He was a Spanish surrealist artist, but is regarded as one of the most influential and eccentric figures in 20th century art. Born in Figueres, Catalonia, Dali is best known for his dreamlike vision and highly designed painting, which often featured striking and surreal images. Like the painting The Persistence of Memories, this iconic painting features melting clouds carved over a barren landscape, symbolizing the fluidity of time and surreal nature of memories. It's one of the Dali's most famous works and a hallmark of surrealism.
And lastly is René Magritte. He was a Belgian surrealist artist known for his thought-provoking and enigmatic works. His paint often challenged viewers' perceptions of reality, blending everyday objects with unexpected or dreamlike elements. Magritte's art frequently explored themes of identity, representation, and the relationship between objects and the language. And as you can see in the picture, this paint is one of the most beautiful artwork he made. The title, The Son of Man in 1964. A man in a bowler hat stands against a cloudy sky, his face obscured by a hovering green apple. This enigmatic paint suggests themes of concealment and the impossibility of fully knowing oneself or others.
Our next topic is surrealism in literature. Surrealist literature includes works like Andre Breton's Nadia and Louis Algaron's Paris Pichon. Writers employed automatic writing, breaking free from crackroot narrative and allowing the unconscious to get the stories. Surrealism in literature often blurred the line between reality and dream.
Next is the Surrealism's influence on modern art. Surrealism influenced modern movements like abstract expressionisms, pop art, and conceptual art. Many contemporary artists draw inspiration from Surrealism's focus on the subconscious and irrational. Surrealist techniques are still used in digital art and graphic design today.
Our next topic is criticism in surrealism. Surrealism has been critiqued for being overly focused on the unconscious, sometimes escaping reality instead of addressing social issues. The movement also has been criticized for being male-dominated, with a few notable female artists. Some argue surrealism emphasizes the own irrationality can alienate the viewer.
And now we now proceed to Surrealisms today. Surrealism's influence continues in modern art, film, advertising, and digital media. Many contemporary arts like Jeff Koons and Damien Hirst incorporate Surrealism's principles into their work. Surrealism's focus on the unconscious mind remains a valuable tool for exploring human experience and creative.
So in the end, surrealism forever changed how we view art, dreams, and reality. The movement focused on exploring subconscious continue to inspire artists across different fields. Surrealism remains a testament to the power of imagination and creativity in art. Surrealism remains a powerful, provocative movement that continues to challenge our understanding of reality, creativity, and subconscious. By blending the dreamlike with everyday, it invites us to explore the new perspective and question the boundaries of what is possible, whether through art, literature, or film. Surrealism reminds us that imagination holds infinite potential to reshape how we experience the world.
These are some references about our topic that we discussed today. If you want more to know about Surrealisms, just search it to expand more your knowledge about the topic. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for listening.
And I hope you have something to learn about surrealism.
And if you want to have a question, just comment down below.
And like and share and subscribe now.
Bye.
Bye.